This video is a LinkedIn tutorial for beginners. So if you're a college or school student looking for a job or internship, or a young professional who wants to get started, this video is for you. I'm so passionate about LinkedIn because it has helped me personally land 2 jobs, 3 internships, and plenty of business opportunity, as well as meet new people who are now my friends. It's an absolutely free social media tool that we need to put to use, but we don't, because everybody is going to Google you, and what comes up is your social media profiles. LinkedIn is a professional social media platform that should be like a virtual portfolio. We should use it to make or break our professional journey. Hi my friends, my name is Mehar. I'm your career coach and mentor, helping you accelerate your career and take it to the next level. Today, I will be sharing my screen and going through a step-by-step guide on how you can get started on LinkedIn right now. And then I will be sharing my final tips for beginners on LinkedIn, just like you. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share and like this video, and also hit the notification bell, my friends, so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I decided to make this video because I did a poll on my community page and you all told me that you want to see this video. Okay, assuming that you do not have a LinkedIn profile at all right now, we are going to create a LinkedIn profile from scratch. So I will be showing you my current LinkedIn profile as well as how it is to set up a new one. So let's go. So first and foremost, we're going to go on to linkedin.com. So what I will be doing is showing you my current profile as well as set up a new profile. So let's set up a new profile, absolutely new profile.
Okay, so I have signed up here. It's asking me for all these details. I will go ahead and do that. Recent job title. Luckily, my company name is coming here. Here you can choose, are you looking for a job? Are you not? So I'm going to say yes, I'm actively looking for a job because it'll help you guys. Okay, so then here you can enter what kind of jobs you're looking for.
So here I'm going to say, let's be very specific here. We can say digital marketing executive. I'm going to say India, and I'm open to remote work. So I can switch on the notifications. This is great. Cool. So now my profile is created. I can also, based on my email address, follow and connect with people that I already know. So skip for now if you don't want to connect with anyone, but I would really recommend that you do that. After that, you go next. And here you can see is my profile. So my profile is completely ready right now. This is what it looks like. It's completely from scratch. And I also want to show you all what my actual profile right now looks like. So what is the stage that you need to get to is basically this stage. So this is my actual profile. And what I'm going to show you now is how do you create a profile from scratch. So we have Mehar Sindhu Batra, founder at MSBVision. This is how you're going to have your profile look when you log in for the first time. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to have a photo to be uploaded. Now, a profile picture is very important on your profile because it increases your profile views by 14 times. So please do not leave your profile picture area ever blank. Always have a very professional looking photo where you're looking straight into the camera, your chin is up, you're smiling, and you're wearing something professional. It shouldn't be a selfie. It should not be with a group of people. It has to be a solo photo of you just by yourself. Okay, so let's see what kind of photo I can upload now. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a very professional looking photo of mine, which is this. You can zoom in as much as you like. It's always good that your face is visible. So your face has to be visible more than anything else. So here my face is clearly visible. I'm looking straight into the camera, and that's very important. So I do save photo here. Now you can see my profile photo is absolutely nicely visible. Now what you can see here at the background is actually a cover photo. Now a cover photo is very useful because it adds a little bit of, I would say, flavor and personality to your profile. So a blank one just looks boring, right? So if you can see right now on my profile, I have been using this space to get more clients, to show my credibility. But if you are somebody looking for a job, you can have something very, very simple. You can have a photograph with your team. You can have a photograph of the country or the city that you live in. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the profile background now and show you what it looks like. I would really recommend never, ever have a personal picture there because you don't need to show your family life here. You need to show your professional life. That's what's important. Another thing you can do is go onto Canva and look for pictures. So what you can literally do is go here and look at pictures, or you can even go for LinkedIn cover photo, cover images, right? You can go here, you can choose the one that you really like. So I would probably, if I'm looking for something which is very neutral, then I could just go here, customize this template. I would add maybe like Mehar Sindhu Batra, digital marketing specialist, right? So you can add something simple like that. You can choose the colors that you really like. You can be neutral or whatever colors that you like. You can add a photograph of yourself. You can add icons like this, shows that you are a digital marketing specialist. You don't like this font. You can always go onto Canva and change the font. You can change the color. This blue actually looks too loud, so maybe we can do this one, right? It just adds a little bit of personality. So I'm just going to download this, or if you're not comfortable doing that, you can even add a picture, like I said. So I'm going to be looking for a photo I'm going to be looking for a job in India. So I can just search for photographs here, and I could add like an India related photo here. Or I even have a picture with my team, so I can even do that. Go ahead and add that. This is a photo of me and my team. So yeah, I think this looks nice. So I have a photo with my team now. What I can do is I can literally just download this. It's absolutely free to use Canva. So I would download and I would check out which one looks nicer. So I'm going to go back onto my new LinkedIn profile and I'm going to add it here, right? That looks so nice. So it shows that I work in a team. I am professional. It just adds a little bit of more character and personality. So I would definitely recommend you having a very, very solid profile photo as well as a cover photo, because somebody lands onto your profile is like a virtual resume. It's like a virtual CV of yours live on the internet somewhere. So you're representing yourself. If you don't have a website, a LinkedIn profile is like your own personal website. So it's always good to have it. It's not a must have, but it's a nice to have. Okay, and then I would always say that update your location. That's very important because it determines where you're exactly looking for a job. Now we're going to go scroll down, and LinkedIn has all these other sections that you need to add onto your profile. So for example, in my current profile, I have a headline. So this is the text that goes right under, right? So it goes right under your name. So right now it's just founder at MSBVision because they asked me where I work. And that's what I said. So now what I'm going to go and do is edit my intro. You can select your pronouns. So if you do not put a headline, my friends, LinkedIn automatically assumes your current job to be your headline. And we don't want that. We want to use a headline as a personal strategy, as keywords where we can add what exactly we do, who we are. And that's why a headline is very important. Imagine picking up a newspaper and reading the headline. On the basis of the headline, you'll decide whether you want to read the article or not. Similarly, on a LinkedIn profile, a headline is super important because LinkedIn is like a search engine. So whatever keywords you put onto your headline will make your profile pop up even more. So for example, now that I am looking for a job in digital marketing, I'm going to say that I am somebody who's a digital marketing expert, right? I can say expert, or I can say enthusiast if I'm still in college. I can even say interned at Google. I can even say travel blogger, right? Whatever it is that you want to be known for, you can add here. So if you look at my current profile here, I've added that I'm a career strategist, I'm a creator and a trainer, I'm a TEDx speaker. Things that add credibility to my profile is very important. Then I would scroll down, and the other important sections I'm going to do now. By the way, my friends, if you're finding this tutorial useful, I have a masterclass which you can download for you to watch any number of times, where I'm going to go into in-depth detail for each of these sections, how you should be using LinkedIn, what is an optimized LinkedIn profile, who you should be connecting with, how can you find jobs on LinkedIn, as well as reaching out to recruiters and other important people in your network, as well as building your personal brand. All you need to do is click on the link below to download my masterclass. Once you have my masterclass, you will have lifetime access to it. So do not miss out. The link is below. Okay. Then we go on and add other sections. So all you can start doing is add your education. So for example, I went to Delhi University. I can even be very, very specific and say I went to Jesus and Mary College. I got a bachelor's degree, yes, in commerce. And yeah, you can choose the year and etc. here. But if you don't want to do that, that's fine too. So now you can see below that my experience has founder here at MSBVision and has my education. So you can go ahead and add as many details as you can for all your jobs, for all your internships, for all the experience that you have in college. If you've participated in any activities, in any projects, you're part of any societies, you should be adding it on here. So in my current profile, you can see I have all my previous experience. So all the companies I've worked at, I even have a career break in between that I've added on LinkedIn, and also all my education is here. One more thing I really recommend you doing is going and adding another section, which is your skills. Now, skills are very important because skills also make your profile more traceable and more searchable. So let's say I am looking for a digital marketing role. So I need to look for skills that I already possess and add them here. So it could be digital marketing, right? It could be, I could add as many number of skills. I think it's about 99 skills that I can add, but the top 5 skills are very important. So I can say I'm very good at communication. So I will add communication here. Then I can say that I'm very good at time management. I'm very, very good at Microsoft Excel. Once I add all these skills, they come down here on my profile. Again, this makes it very, very easy for recruiters to understand whether my profile matches their job description. The next and a very important section, my friends, is the about or summary section. Who you are, what you've done, why are you even looking for a job, what do you do right now? All your history can be in the about section. It is basically your version or your way of telling your story. So you can go on to the add profile section again and go on add about. So here is where you put your story. Always write it in first person. So you can say something as simple as this, but it really shows your impact. It shows your personality. You can even say, other than social media, I have a personality. I have things I like to do outside of work as well. So that's meeting new people and reading about tech. I really like it when people add emoticons and show their personality on their about section. But always end your about section with a CTA. Literally, add your email address below and people will start getting in touch. Use your about section for keywords. Make sure you're highlighting your projects, your experience, your hobbies. Show people what you're interested in. Build your personal brand. So now that I've written my about section, I'm going to go ahead and save it. And here you can see the about section is popping up. Again, it is very important because you're going to add keywords here, again making you searchable. My friends, when your LinkedIn profile is ready, it's going to look something like this. But now I'm going to share some general tips with you that will help you make the most of your LinkedIn profile, especially as a beginner. First and foremost is, my friends, make sure your LinkedIn profile is showing your authentic self. You don't want to copy paste somebody else's profile. You want it to show your personality. You have something unique that you need to showcase to the world. You're one in a million. That's what you need to think of. So even if you're like any other student, what can you show on your LinkedIn that makes you stand apart? That could be maybe some hobbies that you have. That could be a volunteer experience. You need to showcase all your hidden talents, your hidden life on LinkedIn. So let your personality shine through your hobbies, through your passions on your profile. Secondly, I would say please keep it up to date. I have a lot of students and clients who actually have a LinkedIn profile, but they haven't gone and visited it in years, and that is not useful. You need to make sure you're keeping it up to date because you're representing yourself on the World Wide Web, on the internet. It's a version of yourself out there. So make sure you're taking out the time to stay active on the profile, otherwise all this effort is completely useless. Make it a routine to go on there and check out what other people are doing and update your profile as well. So if you've changed your job, added a new skill, all of that should be on LinkedIn. The next is, remember that LinkedIn is a social media platform, right? It is to be used to be social with other people, to be in a network of people, connect with people. So make sure you're connecting with all your ex-classmates, your colleagues, anybody you studied with, anybody you worked with, anybody you know in a professional capacity should be on your network, because you will be able to know what are they up to and whether they can help you in your professional journey or not. There's so much going on LinkedIn in terms of alumni events, groups that you can join, industry experts are on there. So it'll just help you stay updated as well. The next is, please engage with other people's content. A lot of these industry experts, people who are 5 to 10 years ahead of you on the journey, on the career path that you want to be on, are on LinkedIn active and talking about things that matter to you. So engage with these thought-provoking articles, news, updates that people share. If you start actively participating, it will show that you are eager to learn more about this industry. You're an eager learner as well as a future industry leader. And the last tip is, use LinkedIn for recommendations. On your LinkedIn profile, once you're connected with people who have worked with you, who can vouch for you, you can go and request them for writing a testimonial or a recommendation for you that will come up on your profile. They show your credibility and also strengthen your profile even further if a recruiter comes onto your profile. Again, if you want to learn how to use LinkedIn to find job opportunities, to leverage your personal brand and take your career to the next level, make sure you sign up below and get lifetime access to my Win on LinkedIn Masterclass. That's it, my friends. If you want me to go into details about one section of LinkedIn, please leave a comment below. If there's any other social media platform that you want me to cover, which you can be using to create your own professional network, your own professional portfolio, do let me know in the comments below once again. I'll be back soon with another one, but until then, keep working hard towards your goals with a big smile on your face. I hope to see you soon. Bye.